Best for video editing, and it also contains inbuilt audio. No need of speaks. It's a full HD display, not 4K. The product is awesome. Great display, great build quality, great color, great pixels, are not dense as it is 1080p. Best monitor under budget. Just go for it. Awesome experience. Highly satisfied. Thank you, Amazon. Excellent monitor. Love the crisp and vivid colors. The Full HD do get a bit stretched, but that's what you'd get for any monitors above 24. The sound quality is good. Lacks a wall mount provision. Overall, recommended especially for the price tag of 18,000 Indian rupees. This monitor has just exceeded my expectations. The experience is just surreal. Superb deal on Amazon, lightning fast delivery and top-notch performance. For a mid-range gaming monitor, the curved immersive experience is best in class. Obviously it's good monitor at this price range. You can go with it, no doubt. But if you are hardcore gamer, then it's not good. You can say it's average because it has 60Hz refresh rate. If you are mad gamer, you should have to go with 144Hz refresh rate. I'm using it for animation impetus, it's average G. Terrific monitor. Stunning. Excellent product. Quite amazed with the product. Seeing a movie gives you the IMAX experience. Loved it. If you have a AMD gaming setup, go for this. Thanks, Samsung. Overall a very good monitor. Has a sleek and elegant look. Unfortunately the black power cord spoils the look, which Samsung has given a white power cable. Wonderful viewing experience in curved screen, great panel and display, loves a lot. The display is vivid, but needs a good graphics card, I guess. The monitor cannot height adjusted or tilted. Superb monitor. Good for gaming also. I like it. Better picture quality, hashtag amazing sound, hashtag premium look. Very good product. I use it with my PS4. And I'm totally loving it. Curve makes the whole thing look even better. No complaints so far. Go for it if you're looking for a good monitor for gaming under 20K. If you're looking for a monitor with best picture quality, gaming, office work and with inbuilt speakers, you can use it as TV. Especially with HD set-top box of any DTH. Using it as my primary monitor as well as TV in my room, no issues so far. It's have only one HDMI port, so if you want connect more HDMI you need HDMI switch box. It's a totally value for money 27 inches curved LED monitor. Came perfectly packed and within 24 hours, thanks to Amazon's super fast service. Got it for $19,499 on sale. IMO it is the monitor to go for within 20k range if you are looking for a curved screen 27 inches monitor. Pros: subtle curved and beautiful bezel screen, matte finish screen, superb brightness, high dynamic range, vivid colors, decent inbuilt speakers, decently priced, AMD FreeSync, but useless as. I love it since the few hours I have tested it. Will again post a detailed review after 1 month of use. This is best monitor on this budget range. I got it by 1-day delivery. The package really super. Sound quality is also good. Happy to have this monitor. VVV nice, I give more than 50 stars. Pros: -1. The display is quite bright too. Curved display makes watching movie very immersive. 3. It's good for gaming, colors come out quite nice. 4. No bleeding issues for me. 5. Speakers are decently loud with above average sound quality. 6. Has eye saver mode which cuts out blue light, which is great for long hours usage. Cons: -1. Provided stand is not height adjustable. It is very well built and comes with 3 years warranty once you register your product on the Samsung site. For a 27 inch screen, the resolution is not too great, 1920*1080p, but it is still quite sharp. The images are crisp and colors are accurate. Play a 2K or a 4K video and you will be blown away. For best experience you will need a good graphics card. The factory calibrated colors are pretty good, but if you want you can calibrate it yourself. Brightness is 250 nits, which is more than enough for almost everything. Contrast and colors are amazing. You will love it. Take my word for it. Delivered in 2 days, thanks to the seller and Amazon for 5-star service. Coming to the monitor, I must say it is one of gorgeous screens. The only reason not rating 5-star is the lack of wall mount VESA option. Rest, the monitor is superb with excellent refresh rate. Go for it. It's awesome. I am big fan for LG's display, but this time, this monitor made me fan of Samsung. What a pure amazing experience from curved display. Very good product. I am fully satisfied this monitor, but delivery is too much bad. Awesome product, great performance. You can buy this product without a doubt. I'm giving 4-star because my graphic card is outdated and I need new one to test it properly, but so far it's great. Perfect monitor for gaming. It gives you colorful experience. I can't give 5 stars, that's because it doesn't have noise reduction. You can see grains when something appears dark in screen. Other than that, you have options in calibrating screen, and also sound quality is decent. I am using it for PS4 and it's superb. So, the monitor is great. For me it was an impulsive buy and my usage is also quite less. I don't play games, it mostly coding and media consumption. If you have the system to back it up, and you have to buy a 27-inch monitor, do not buy a 1080p monitor. My MacBook has a native resolution of almost 5K, and 1080p on a 27-inch monitor feels more like a disappointment. Even the texts are not sharp and clear. 24-inch the sweet spot for 1080p. For anything more than 24-inch, go for a better resolution. Pardon my shaky picture. Thanks. Cheers. Click link in description for more reviews.